So, welcome everybody, and let's continue physics. And we have seen the self-inductance and energy stored in self-inductance. Now, we'll move on the combined circuits. Okay, as in last video I have said this, we have RL circuit, RC circuit. So this is also one of the transient circuit. Like RC circuit was a transient circuit. Transient circuit means where the charge or current is changing with time. So same here, in RL circuit means resistance and inductance circuit. This is also going to be the transient circuit, and as we have discussed many things there, the same thing we are going to discuss here. And so this is again same as we have done in the RC circuit. Some equations almost will be same. There charge was there, here charge will not come, just current will come. Okay, and so give the heading Kirchhoff's law and modified. Just give the heading RL circuit. RL circuit. Okay, so as we have seen the RC, the same way we have to go for RL circuit. Here, but what I am going to do, let's say we have a resistance and inductance connected with the battery of EMF E. This is R, this is L. First of all, as you switch on the the switch, and if you connect the ammeter here, so the current will not go suddenly to the maximum value. It will take initially the current will be 0 and slowly it will reach to the maximum value. Like in RC circuit, if you always we have to compare this, because then you will remember it. In RC circuit initially current is 0. Sorry, initially we had a maximum current, and then at T infinity the current becomes 0. Here just opposite. Okay, so it is just opposite of here. Initially the current is 0, and then after infinite time steady state current becomes maximum. So here RL circuit, so R and L. So first of all, if I write the so we have to find here current as a function of time. But first question comes, that is always there, how do we find it? So obviously the answer will be the Kirchhoff's loop rule. Okay, so if you try to apply the Kirchhoff's loop rule says what? Here the current is, let's say at any instant current is I and current is increasing, and if you remember we have seen it, if current is increasing then this inductor will try to oppose it. Okay, any change will be opposed by the induced current. So inductor, if current is increasing, so di by dt I am taking positive, so this is going, so induced back EMF will be this way, and this back EMF EB we can write is equal to L di by dt. Once we have shown the positive and negative terminal, then we don't have to give the minus sign. Okay, so since I is increasing, so this will oppose it. So here this inductor will be equivalent to this EMF source at that instant at which the current is changing. देखो last day किया था हम लोगों ने. And again, now if you go from, let's say start from A, B, C, D, so travel in this path. So if I am going from A to E, we have a resistor. So potential drop according to Kirchhoff's loop rule is I into R. Here I am hitting the positive plate terminal, so this is EB. I am hitting the negative, equal to minus E, coming here is equal to 0. So here we have E is equal to IR plus L di by dt. This we can write. Okay, all of you. Obviously we can write this simple equation, but no, this equation gives you a serious problem. What is that? If you just see, whenever magnetic field changes with time through any loop, this is a loop, inductor is a loop. So if magnetic field changes with time through a loop, there exists a non-conservative electric field. And remember, the Kirchhoff's loop rule was based on the conservative electric field. In the Kirchhoff's loop rule, we are moving from one point to second point. Since it's a conservative, so in a loop the net line integral of electric field was 0 because it is path independent quantity. याद आ रहा है? But here, because of existence of non-conservative electric field here, this whole circuit becomes path dependent. So how we can write, if it is path dependent, so how we can write this equal to 0, because this won't be 0. This is 0. The Kirchhoff's loop rule was because minus E conservative dot dr in a closed circuit is equal to 0. This was the basis of the Kirchhoff's loop rule. But the same equation we have applied here. So obviously the question we cannot apply here, because in a path there exists a non-conservative electric field, because the current is increasing with time, so magnetic field is changing with time, and wherever the magnetic field changes with time, there is a non-conservative electric field arises. And for non-conservative in system, if one of the portion also becomes non-conservative, the whole system becomes non-conservative, if you recall from the work energy. So this we cannot write. This is not correct. This one, this equation. So that's why this is a problem. But again, this is called, so that's why we go for modified Kirchhoff's loop rule for inductor. Okay, and which is nothing but it is same. Okay, so that's why we go for modified. तो ये लिख लेना कि why it is wrong, then we go for modified Kirchhoff's rule for inductor. What is that? It is same. Although this equation looks incorrect in terms of physics, but it gives the correct result when we solve it. Okay. The basic reason behind this you will have to study in future. And again, this is if we remove the future word, basically this is giving the correct result, although this equation looks incorrect in terms of physics. So why this is and how the modified equation is giving correct result will be studied in future. But right now you have to just learn this. You have to keep this in mind, why this is incorrect. And so that's why we call this modified Kirchhoff's rule. We don't call it Kirchhoff's rule. We call this modified Kirchhoff's rule. So this is known as modified Kirchhoff's rule. Okay. So that is there, which is same as the original. And so why this comes, that is a part of future discussion. But in terms of theoretical question, this is important. So I hope all of you are clear why this is incorrect, because whenever there is a time varying current, there will be time varying magnetic field, and time varying magnetic field give rises to the induced non-conservative electric field. And so in that case, in a closed circuit, if non-conservative electric field there, so we cannot write in a closed circuit line integral of electric field in a closed circuit is 0. That is true only for the conservative. Although, okay, so although this was wrong, but this itself is a modified Kirchhoff's rule, so don't worry, but keep this in mind. Okay, so now let's get into this. So here, after this, so we have written this. So now if I solve it, so after modified Kirchhoff's rule, कैसे लिखना है समझ में आ रहा है? करंट इज इंक्रीजिंग, तो ये अपोज करेगा, तो ये पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल, ये नेगेटिव टर्मिनल. सो इफ आई जस्ट राइट L di/dt फ्रॉम हियर इज इक्वल टू E माइनस आई आर, एंड इसमें अपने को ज़्यादा टाइम लगे बिकॉज हमने काफ़ी डिटेल में वहाँ पे किया है RC सर्किट में, दैट्स वाई. सो ये di बाई, यहाँ पे R अगर कॉमन ले लिया, सो E माइनस R इज इक्वल टू 1/L dt. देखो ये, तो इसको इंटीग्रेट किया हम लोगों ने, क्या t इज इक्वल टू 0, करंट इज 0, एट t इज इक्वल टू t, करंट इज I. सो ये क्या हो जाएगा, तो माइनस ln E माइनस आई आर. ओके, दिस इज 0 टू I, एंड यहाँ पे जो इसके साथ है वो बाहर आ जाएगा 1/R इक्वल टू 1/L t. Okay, so here if I put the values here, so I get here, put the value 0 first, again minus sign to 0, तो E by, okay, minus बाहर रहने दो, E minus IR by E, this is equal to minus R by L into T. When we remove this, so we get here IE IR is equal to E raised to minus T by L by R. R को नीचे लाए, so here I becomes here E by R 1 minus E raised to T by tau. देखो वहाँ भी यही वर्ड यूज किया था, T by tau, where tau here, यहाँ पे tau was, here tau is L by R. अगर जस्ट कंपेयर करो उससे, तो वहाँ पे था Q is equal to Q naught 1 minus E raised to T by tau. ये tau, ये टाइम कांस्टेंट, फिर से ये L by R has a unit of time only. Why? We have seen because this should be dimensionless, then only we can find the exponential value. So L by R has got unit of time only, जो इसलिए it is called time constant. Same in the RC circuit, here tau was CR. Okay, here tau was CR. Okay, so just see, this becomes one simple equation. याद करना आसान है, हम लोग बाद में इसको compare करेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है. तो अभी सिर्फ ये ध्यान में रखो, ये यहाँ पे CR is a CR has got unit of time, L by R also has got the unit of time. It is called time constant. यहाँ पे time constant था, ठीक है. यहाँ पे था E naught into C था, यहाँ पे E by R है, ठीक है. तो here after this, so just see, this equation tells you many things here. At t is equal to 0, if you see, current is 0. So if I draw the equation, this exponential graph, so at, this is time constant, unit has same as time, so unit is second, dimension of L by R is t raised to 1. So just see, यहाँ पे if you just see here, at t is equal to 0, the I is 0. Okay, current is 0. At t is equal to, at t tends to infinity, here the I tends to I naught, that is E by R. Means what? देखो at t is equal to 0 क्या हो गया? Current pass नहीं हो रहा. Meaning what? कि it is, this can be written, okay, इसको बाद में लिखते हैं. At t is equal to, current is not passing, current is 0. ये कब possible है? जब किसी भी part of circuit में current flow नहीं हो. That is only possible when that part of circuit is open. So this is here. So if you just see, so this at t is equal to 0, as if this circuit is open. So inductor is open. So that's why this current is not flowing. तो ये यहाँ पे लिखना कि at t is equal to 0, since current is 0, so we can assume inductor to be open circuit. कैपेसिटर में क्लोज सर्किट था, ठीक है, वहाँ पे मैक्सिमम करंट पास हो रहा था, जस्ट अपोजिट. ओके, सो जस्ट राइट एट t is equal to 0, I0 means inductor is acting like a open circuit. Okay, so it is equivalent to this circuit. It is a open circuit at t is equal to 0. It is a open circuit. At t is equal to infinity, t tends to infinity, this I tends to, I becomes E naught by R, that is the maximum current in that circuit. तो अगर ये मैक्सिमम करंट हो, ये कब पॉसिबल है? जब इंडक्टर कुछ भी उसको अपोज नहीं कर रहा. जब तक इंडक्टर अपोज करेगा करंट कम फ्लो, लेकिन इंडक्टर अगर अपोज करना बंद कर दे तो देयर इज नो फ्लो ऑफ करंट. सो व्हेन, एंड अगेन जस्ट सी कि व्हेन द करंट हैज रीच्ड इट्स स्टेडी वैल्यू, so there is no change of current in the circuit, so no change of current through this loop, so the EMF induced will be 0, the back EMF will be 0, because back EMF arises only when there is change in the current. If current is not changing, current has reached to steady value, so EB will be replaced by a simple wire. It is a short circuit. So the equivalent circuit we can write here at t infinity, this will be like this. So here we will have here, let's say it is a short circuit. It is a short circuit. So at t tends to infinity, I is equal to E naught by R. So this is a short circuit. So and वहाँ पे देखो कैपेसिटर में RC में क्या था, at infinite time the capacitor becomes open circuit. So just opposite. If I draw the graph here, this is, so graph is, so here I naught, so I can write the general equation. This can be written as I is equal to I naught. I naught is maximum current in the circuit, 1 minus e raised to t by tau. Tau is L by R here, वो ध्यान में रखना. If I draw the graph here, how the current is changing, so if you just see, so and that's why this is called transient circuit. How the current is changing, so at t0, so this is going to reach the maximum, so it's an exponential graph. Exponential graph reaches the maximum value at infinite. So here this is I naught, so it is going to reach the after infinite time. But remember how much infinite, जैसे वहाँ पर उन्होंने डिस्कशन किया था कि कितना टाइम. तो अगेन जस्ट सी, द इंडक्टेंस इज ऑलवेज टेकन इन मिली Henry. Okay, so hardly here also 1 or 2 or 5 second will be very much infinite time for inductor circuit, जैसे वहाँ पे लोगों ने किया था. So let's see, यहाँ पे so here it is called increasing current, and ddt is there, so this is called increasing current. Okay, so this equation is, so again I am writing increasing current, that is I is equal to I naught 1 minus e raised to t by tau, where I naught is E by R, maximum current in the circuit, LR circuit. So here if you just see, at T is equal to tau in one time constant, that is L by R. L generally मिली हेनरी मिली एम्पियर मिली हेनरी में होता है. L is generally मिली हेनरी, मतलब 10⁻³ हेनरी होता है. तो टाइम कांस्टेंट tau विल बिकम 10⁻³ अगर इसको मैंने किलो ओम में भी लिया, किलो ओम मतलब हो गया जनरली रेसिस्टेंस की R जितना ज़्यादा होगा टाइम कांस्टेंट उतना ही कम होगा. टाइम कांस्टेंट जितना कम होगा उतना फास्ट वो स्टेडी करंट को रीच करेगा. दिख रहा है ये कि R जितना ज़्यादा होगा टाइम कांस्टेंट उतना ही कम होगा. ये जितना कम होगा ये वैल्यू अधिक होगा तो सब्ट्रैक्शन उतना ही कम हो जाएगा. सो यहाँ पे R अगर तुमने सिंपल, क्योंकि जनरली R हम लोग किलो ओम में लेते हैं, या फिर तुमने 1 ओम भी ले लिया, 1 ओम R, सो 10⁻³ सेकेंड्स हो गए. तो इसमें देखो वन टाइम कांस्टेंट में कितना करंट अचीव, यहाँ पे R लिया 1 ओम में. हाँ, तो I विल बी I0 1 - e⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻⁻ E माइनस 1 बाई ई, ई का वैल्यू 2.8 के आसपास होता है. सो ये I बाई आई नॉट मैक्सिमम का कितना आ जाएगा 2.8, तो 1.8 बाई 2.8, सो दैट इज 9 बाई 14, सो ऑलमोस्ट 63 आ जाएगा. तो देखो 63% ऑफ करंट विल बी देयर इन कितना, इन मिली सेकेंड्स में. अगर तुमने R का वैल्यू और ज़्यादा ले लिया तो ये टाइम कांस्टेंट और कम हो जाएगा. तो just see in a very small time, so here infinite time same as the RC circuit. Here infinite time doesn't mean कि it is going to take 10 minutes 1 hour. No, if L जितना कम होगा and R जितना ज़्यादा होगा, time constant means the time taken to reach the steady current will be so much small. So please write here the infinite time means hardly a 1, 2 or 5 seconds. 1 second is infinite time for this, because here infinite time means hardly a second, because the inductance L is in millihenry and resistance is in ohm. If we increase the value of resistance to kilo ohm, then time constant even will be smaller. And smaller the time constant, more faster the current will reach to its steady value, its maximum value. Smaller the time constant, more faster it will reach to the steady value. ठीक है, तो this is there. Okay, अगर R मान लो 0 हो जाए, R 0 means what? टाइम, अगर R को तुमने 0 ले लिया तो क्या हो जाएगा? The steady current R0 R not 0, अगर L 0 हो जाए, ठीक है, तो just see here, अगर L becomes 0, सेकेंड केस अगर मैं लेता हूं, if L tends to 0 means it is simple it is simple your resistive circuit. तो उस केस में टाइम क्या होगा? टाइम कांस्टेंट विल बी 0. So the current is going to reach maximum value all of a sudden. Means here if I draw this again, इसको थोड़ा सा मैं extend करता हूँ, ठीक है? So if L becomes 0 means it is a pure resistive circuit. तो उस केस में so here let's say मैंने थोड़ा y एक्सिस को इधर शिफ्ट किया, ओरिजिन यहाँ पे, ठीक है, ये ओरिजिन है. तो इफ L बिकम अगेन सिंपल, अगर L इज नॉट 0 तो उस केस में द करंट दिस इज I naught is here E by R. So if L is not 0 then it is going to have this value. Okay, if L is 0 then it is going to reach all of sudden the current will be maximum. All of sudden the current will be maximum. This is for L is equal to 0 pure resistive circuit के लिए. So this is for pure resistive circuit. L0 means pure resistive circuit. So as you see, this is L1. Now let's say if I again for different, this L0 L1 for a next inductance, if I draw this, so it is going to be L2. So can you compare L1 L2? So I hope easy है, because ये 0 तो obviously L1 अगर self inductance is not 0 then it is going to take some time to reach the steady value. But how much time? That time is not very large. Okay, so here you can see as L is increasing here, the time taken to reach the steady value is also going to increase. So here L2 is greater than L1. Okay, L2 is greater than L1. So larger the self inductance, more it will oppose the change of current and more time it will take to reach the steady value. Larger the self inductance, okay, larger the self inductance, more it is going to the more time it will अगर self inductance high है, again if you remember in last video we have seen कि higher the self inductance, more resistive will be change in current. Means the circuit will be more opposing the change in current. Okay, resistance का physical significance क्या था? The resistance is going to oppose the flow of current. But inductance physical significance means what? It is going to oppose the change in current. That is important. So resistance opposes the change in current, and inductance opposes the change in current. Resistance opposes the flow of current. दोनों में difference है. तो higher the self inductance, more opposition will be for the change of current. Current अगर constant है, there is no problem. But if you want to change, there will be more opposition by the self inductance. Okay. So this is there L1 L2. This is going to be, so here, so since देखो change काफी slow हो रहा है, so L will be large. So L2 will be greater than L1. Okay. Now if this is all. Now if I compare this with the charging of capacitor, now let's make two columns, but that will give you a better fair idea to remember. Okay, so let's say we have here, I am taking since first we have done just now, so we have here RL circuit, here RC circuit. Okay, in both we have a growth of current, ट्रांजिएंट सर्किट दोनों है, growth of current. So make two column here. If I just make it, so here we have resistor, inductor, and a cell having potentially, again we have here resistor and capacitor connected with, again cell, this is R, this is C, this is R, this is L. So growth of current है. So here in this case the current here, the always find the maximum current will be how much? I naught will be E by R. Your maximum charge will be how much? So here Q naught will be E by C. Sorry, E into C. Okay. Here also the maximum current here will be E by R. Okay. Here the current I here becomes I naught 1 minus e raised to t by tau. हाँ, एक और फाइंड करो, टाइम कांस्टेंट लिखो. टाइम कांस्टेंट इज L by R. Here the time constant is CR. Not, तो ये ध्यान देना है, L by R C into R. So here the first, so this is let's say first, this is second, यहाँ भी this is first, this is second, ये दोनों first में आ गए. ठीक है. This is third, यहाँ पे third क्या हो जाएगा? Third here चार्ज, यहाँ पे चार्ज भी, यहाँ पे करंट भी होगा तो चार्ज लिखते हैं, ग्रोथ ऑफ चार्ज है. सो Q इज इक्वल टू Q नॉट 1 माइनस ई रेज टू टी बाई टाउ. देखो जस्ट सिमिलर इक्वेशन. ओके, करंट क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? I विल बी I नॉट ई रेज टू माइनस टी बाई टाउ. रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ चार्ज इज अ करंट. तो जस्ट देखो यहाँ पे अगर इससे समझ में आता होगा तो एट t इज इक्वल टू 0, द फोर्थ पॉइंट यहाँ से at t is equal to 0, this is a open circuit. The inductor acts like a open circuit. So please write inductor acts like open circuit. Draw the draw the circuit diagram. So inductor will get open. Here at t is equal to 0, capacitor acts like a short circuit. देखो T0 तो मैक्सिमम करंट, तो कैपेसिटर acts like short circuit. Okay, draw the circuit. So it is a short circuit. So this is your short circuit. Fifth, at t is equal to infinity, inductor is short circuit. Inductor acts like short circuit. Again growth of current की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. यहाँ पे फिर it is like this. Here the fifth here, at t tends to infinity, capacitor acts like open circuit. Okay, तो कैपेसिटर इज अ ओपन सर्किट. ये पॉइंट्स ध्यान में रखना है. ठीक है. यहाँ भी इनफिनाइट टाइम का मतलब 1 आवर या 10 मिनट या 1 मिनट नहीं है, हार्डली फ्यू सेकेंड्स, मिली सेकेंड्स. हियर ऑल्सो इनफिनाइट टाइम मीन्स मिली सेकेंड्स. ओके, ग्राफ भी तुम ड्रॉ यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना चाहो तो ग्राफ यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर लो. दोनों में सेम काइंड ऑफ ग्राफ आ जाएगा. ओके, यहाँ पे करंट के लिए, यहाँ पे चार्ज के लिए. ठीक है, करंट के लिए डिक्रीज होगा. तो यहाँ पे अगर तुम ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर लो तो ग्राफ फॉर करंट, दैट इज Yes, this is, ये ऑरिजिन है। उस वाले में मैंने तो ऑरिजिन को शिफ्ट किया था, तो वाई एक्सिस को इधर शिफ्ट किया था मैंने। आई थिंक जो इसके पहले जो मैंने ड्रॉ किया था ग्राफ, उस पता नहीं मैंने लिखा कि नहीं, मुझे याद नहीं रहा। दिस इज, ये तुमको यहाँ से ये जीरो है, तो वाई एक्सिस को मैंने इस साइड किया था शिफ्ट, ठीक है ना। तो वाई एक्सिस को यहाँ पे लेके आया। दिस इज आई नॉट, ये तक करंट के लिए। इसमें क्या हो जाएगा, फॉर करंट it is going to decrease. This is I naught, it is going to decrease with the time. So this is about the growth of current. Okay. In the next video we will go for decaying current, how the RL circuit behaves when current decay. Okay, like वहाँ भी था the discharging of कैपेसिटर था वहाँ पे, यहाँ पे डीके ऑफ करंट। थैंक यू।